Our live chat feature is available to all subscribers of our business version. To use this feature in conversation scenarios, you need to visit the settings of your chatbot. Here you can see a detailed description of the setup for your Facebook page. First, go to Facebook page settings, advanced messaging, and scroll down to the app settings section. Click the configure button and select Botsurfer as a primary receiver. Page inbox as a secondary receiver. Then you can close the configuration window and go back to the Botsurfer settings. Now look at the right side of the screen and check the status for your Facebook page. If the setup is correct, then you can see the approval message and page will load. Now you can go to the conversation scenarios of your chatbot. Build the sequence where the user can contact support and then implement a live chat element. Email notifications will be sent to all Botsurfer users for this Facebook page by default, but you can edit this setting. The success message, which can be edited, will be sent to users after a support request. You should find the message from users in your Facebook page inbox. You also need to set timeout for the request and timeout message. This message will be sent if your support won't answer the message in the Facebook page inbox and tag the message in the inbox as done. Your chatbot will answer buttons and main menu items, but no keywords, until the message is marked as done or request times out.